Hey everyone, I'm going to make a quick demo of the shaders from my asset package, except the skin shader, because I'm going to make an additional video for that. So I loaded up a pretty simple demo scene. As you can see right there, we've got this cube and two lights, one here and one here. That's basically it. The lights rotate around this cube, but I'll show you later why they do it. You'll probably see it. So right now it's just a bump specular shader standard, and yeah, it looks okay, but I want not this plastic look, but more reflective metallic something like look, and therefore I implemented the cook-torrance bumped specular shader, which has a slightly better lighting function, which is of course also more expensive. And as you can see, this is what you get from it. Same setup, of course, as you can see. And yeah, this is what it looks like. Let's start. So you can see the lights rotating around. What you can do in this shader is you can of course change the amount of specular highlights and the light spread, so that you've got more focused or white specular highlights. Well, I guess I had something like probably this. Yeah, that is the first one that I have. Next one would be the same shader, but in a parallax version, and it's also got self shadows. I find that parallax shading obviously looks better than normal mapping most of the times, but it's not looking completely, it's not looking like you have really added some depth to the object. Of course it's only faked, so that's a problem, and therefore I implemented this version where you can just by adding it as a shader add self shadows, and they're really fast. It's really cheap function, and yeah, of course they're only approximate and they're just faked, so these are not completely correct shadows, but they look okay, they look good. And yeah, as you can see, of course they do change with the lights going around, otherwise it wouldn't make any sense. And of course you can change the amount of shadows right here, and of course also the shading range, which in this case looks not good, but you could change it if you don't like the value. Usually it's 0.02, which is if it's looking good, you should leave it like that. And yeah, this is of course also available as a parallax self-shadowed version with the usual specular highlights, as you can see right here. Same results. And let's go over to the next one. Oh no, don't. This another cube, as you can see, a stone texture, and I thought maybe adding the same shadow method to relief mapping would be kind of cool. So let's change the height value, yeah, something like that. Of course this is not the same height map as it would be for parallax mapping, it's inverted, but I guess you can do that. Of course you can change in this shader the use of alpha if you want the edges to be cut or not. In this case I set it to on. And let's turn on some shadows. You can see right there that we also got self shadows in this one, and they also get a correct offset, otherwise it would look completely stupid, but it works, as you can see. And this is what I got there. I hope you like it, and bye.